Hi guys, good evening. Smart Kid draw all the characters of the inside of movie. Okay, as you can see, okay, let's ask Smart Kid who are these characters that she draw. Sino to ate?
And envy.
Envy. Okay, emotion envy. This one.
Sadness.
Si Sadness. Parang bumata si Sadness.
Kanta lang yun! Matawa yan!
Matanda na yung si Sadness, di ba?
No.
This one is
Anger.
anger. May fire sa ulo niya kasi pag naging angry siya. This is the biggest of them all, di ba right, ate?
Yeah, pero maliit lang.
Sino to?
Embarrassment.
Embarrassment. Ito si
Disgust.
disgust. Okay. And this one is
Fear.
si fear. And this one is
Anxiety.
Okay. And this one is the main character.
Joy.
The si Joy. Okay. So, sino yung sasayaw?
Ha?
Can Joy dance?
Ano ganyan?
Dance Joy. Tan taran tan 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 taran tan tan. Kasi Joy siya eh. Masaya siya eh.
Oh my God. Sumasaya ba yung movie?
Okay, I have to get here. And this is anxiety. I don't know what to do. I want to go out of this place because I'm feeling animal. Oh my God. And I am.
Fear.
Oh my God. Where are we going? It's very hard for me to decide because I'm so fearful, guys.
Ayaw mo!
And disgust. And I never gonna play this game again. It's hard for me to perfect all the steps and
I hate
the
broccoli.
rulings. I hate broccoli. I am ashamed. I don't wanna show my teeth. I'm gonna hide my teeth in my nose, behind my nose. Grrr, I'm anger. Who those people who are fond of visiting us but not giving us any gift and mock us, that telling that they are giving us gift from time to time. I hate them. Grrr. Ooh, anger. Don't tell that. It's okay. It's okay. Forgive them. And
Envy.
oh, they are so lucky. I hope I am like them. They have so many blessings, but me, I don't have. I feel
Beautiful.
envious.
Beautiful hair.
And they have very beautiful hair, but I don't have. Oh my God. Bye. Bye, and thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless.